If someone walks away from you, if they stop choosing you, if they treat your absence like it doesn't matter, your instinct is to prove your worth. You explain more, you try harder, you stay available, you hope they'll suddenly realize what they lost, but that never works. Because the truth is this, people don't regret losing someone who keeps chasing them. They regret losing someone who moves on without needing them. And today, I'm going to show you how to actually make people regret losing you. Not through revenge, not through manipulation, but through transformation. First, let's get one thing clear. You don't make someone regret losing you by reminding them of your value. You make them regret losing you by becoming unavailable to the version of you they took for granted. That's the shift. Because regret doesn't come from words, it comes from contrast. Step 1. Stop explaining yourself. When people leave, they often expect closure conversations, long messages, emotional explanations, one last chance to feel important. Don't give them that. Not because you're bitter, but because your silence creates something powerful. Space. And in that space, reality sets in. The more you explain, the more they feel in control. The less you say, the more they're forced to sit with their decision. Silence isn't weakness. Silence is confidence without performance. Step 2. Detach emotionally, but not coldly. Detachment doesn't mean becoming rude. It doesn't mean pretending you don't care. It means you stop reacting. You stop checking if they viewed your story. You stop waiting for a message. You stop replaying conversations in your head. Because nothing confuses someone more than realizing they no longer have emotional access to you. They expect anger. They expect sadness. They expect pursuit. What they don't expect is peace. And peace is unforgettable. Step 3. Upgrade privately. This is where most people fail. They try to show off the glow-up. They post constantly. They want their ex, friend, or doubter to notice. But real upgrades happen off-camera. You improve your body, your discipline, your routine, your self-respect. Not for them, for you. And when someone sees you later, calmer, sharper, stronger, they feel it immediately. Because growth that doesn't beg for attention is intimidating. Step 4. Become harder to replace. People don't regret losing someone who was convenient. They regret losing someone who brought presence. So ask yourself, were you always available, always forgiving, always understanding? That's not love, that's accessibility. Now you become selective. You don't over-explain. You don't overcommit. You don't overgive. You bring quality, not quantity. And suddenly they realize, not everyone offers what you offered. Step 5. Live well without updating them. Here's the brutal truth. The moment someone sees you thriving without them, their ego takes a hit. Not because you're happy, but because their absence didn't stop you. They expected to matter more. So don't announce your success. Let it be discovered. Let mutual connections mention it. Let time reveal it. Nothing stings more than realizing you were not the main character in someone else's story. Step 6. Don't take them back easily. This is where regret either deepens or disappears. If they come back and you immediately accept them, you confirm their belief that they can leave and return whenever they want. But if they come back and you've changed, if your standards are higher, if your boundaries are firm, if your energy is different, they feel the loss all over again. Because now they see what they could have had, but no longer can. Here's the part no one talks about. Sometimes people regret losing you quietly. They won't text, they won't apologize, they won't admit it, but they'll think about you when things go wrong, when the replacement disappoints them, when life gets heavy. And that's enough, because your goal was never validation. Your goal was evolution. Let me leave you with this. If someone had to lose you to recognize your value, they were never meant to keep you. So don't try to make them regret it. Become someone they can't replace, and let time do the rest.